Hello students, we are going to discuss about bypass and purging operation. One by one we will discuss. First one, purging operation. What is purging? Purging is nothing but blood off. So the continuously remove the inert, that is purging. In this operation, fraction of the recycled stream is continuously bled off in order to limit the concentration of inert to a desired or tolerance level in the mixed stream. Whenever some inert are present in the fresh feed, recycling of fluid stream gradually accumulate inert in the recycled stream. If the concentration of inert exceed beyond a tolerance level, inert affect the conversion in the reactor. Always the inert keep in the reactor within a tolerance level. Example, synthesis of ammonia. So synthesis of ammonia, argon used as a inert gas. Purpose of the inert gas, so the inert gas is entering is equal to inert gas leaving. What is the purpose? So this inert gas does not involved in any reaction, just entering and just the same amount of leaving. Practical approach is to purge or bleed a small fraction of the recycled stream to ensure the removal of the required quantities of inert from the recycle loop. Purging operation also the steady state operation. How much inerts are entering, how much inerts in the purge, otherwise inerts will accumulate in the recycle loop. What is purge stream? It is a fraction of the recycle stream which is continuously bled off in order to avoid an accumulation of inert in the recycle loop. That is purging, continuously remove. So this schematic diagram shows that recycle operation with purge stream. Fresh feed mixed with recycle feed to produce mixed feed or combined feed. This feed sent into reactor. So the reactor product sent into the separator. So the purging operation here, the continuously remove the inert. So always keep in the tolerance level, does not exceed the tolerance level. So finally produce the product from separator. So this is the recycle operation with purge stream. So this is another example, recycling of air or recirculation of air in the drying of solid is shown in diagrammatic. So this is drying of solids. So here the fresh air, that is a fresh feed, recycle air, that is recycle feed, fresh feed and recycle feed, that is equal to mixed feed. So here mixed feed or combined feed. So these air sent into the dryer. So what is the purpose of the dryer here? Produce a dried solid. What is dryer? So the produce the dried solid from wet solid with the help of hot air. So here recycle air and fresh air is equal to mixed feed. This air is sent into the dryer. So the feed of the dryer wet solid, with the help of the hot air, the moisture is removed. Finally produce the product dried solid. So what about the outlet of dried solid? So for this process, exhaust air is removed. Why? Because air acting as a inert gas. Ma'am, air acting as a inert gas, yes. Why? Because air composition 79% are nitrogen is present, 21% oxygen is present, 79% nitrogen acting as a inert gas. So that's why the exhaust air continuously removed. So does not exceed the tolerance level. So suppose exceed the tolerance level, what will happen? The total product will be affected. So they always keep within the tolerance level. So this is the example of recycle steam with purging operation. In a recycle operation, so overall material balance, combined feed is equal to fresh feed plus recycle feed. Combined feed mean capital M is equal to capital R plus capital F. Combined feed is a mixture of fresh feed and recycle feed. Cross product is equal to recycle feed plus net product. Cross product is a mixture of net product and recycle feed. Okay. This is very important terminologies used in purging operation. Recycle ratio. Recycle ratio is nothing but the ratio between recycle feed to fresh feed. So recycle ratio is equal to capital R by F. Capital R is a recycle feed, capital F is a fresh feed. Next terminology, combined feed ratio. It is a ratio between mixed feed to fresh feed. So the mixed feed, capital M, fresh feed, capital F. Are you clear? Okay. Yes. So this is the recycle reactor. So here the fresh feed, reactant, recycle feed, unreacted components. So this is equal to mixed feed. So this mixed feed sent into reactor to produce the product. So reactor outlet sent into separation unit. So the separation unit unreacted components are again sent into join with fresh feed. This is a continuous process. So finally the product stream, so releasing from separation unit to further processing. So suppose if we want any other unit operation, so we have to use here, that is a remaining part. So this is the one of the example for recycling in the case of any reactor. Okay. So here another terminology, purging ratio. Purging ratio is nothing but it is a ratio between purge to recycle feed. So purge ratio is equal to P by R. P is a purge, R is a recycle feed. So here this is this schematic diagram, the recycle reactor with the purge. So this is example, manufacture of ammonia, buildup of methane in a recycle loop. A certain tolerance limit is avoided by purging. So here fresh feed, so the recycle feed is equal to mixed feed. This feed is sent into the reactor. So the reactor outlet, the product stream sent into the separation unit. From the separation unit, ammonia liquid is outlet. This is a manufacture of ammonia. So for this case, buildup of methane in recycle loop, certain a tolerance limit is avoided by purging. So the continuously the methane is so removed from the separation unit. So this is avoid the purging. Are you clear? Okay. Though this is a recycle reactor with purge. Another operation, bypass operation. So most of the industry prefer the bypass operation. Why? So what is bypass operation? So this diagram shows that bypass operation. In this operation, a fraction of the feed stream to a process unit is diverted around and combined with the output. So this is the bypass product. So this is bypass operation. Bypassing is used industrially whenever accurate control of the composition or concentration of the process exit stream is required. The composition and properties of the product may be varied by varying the fraction of the feed that is bypassed. Very clear? Okay, this is the bypass operation. Why industry prefer the bypass operation? So the industry control the composition or concentration of the process in the existing is required. So this is a type of block diagram for the bypass operation. So the feed sent into process unit, produce the product from the feed. So one portion sent into join in the existing. Existing means there is a join with the product. Are you clear? Okay. Thank you for your attention.